So this is a YZ80L 1984 model. I've just put it back together after cleaning up a lot of the parts and new gaskets. A few new bearings. Gave the suspension a service. It's got front and rear guards that are new. So the plastic side guards had to be sanded and polished. I've got them as clean as I can get. The only problem is the tank has got a few cracks under the sticker, so it's not worth going too far that I'll need to get another tank one day. New seat cover. Cleaned out the exhaust. Another 80. And that's how she looks now. I'll just have to start it up and give it a sound test. Sounds alright. I already fixed up a few things that I knew was wrong with it, so it's just a matter of cleaning it up now so it looks all better.